We're going to be comparing base 10 decimal with base 2 binary, base 8 octal, and base 16, which is hexadecimal. As you can see in my little spreadsheet here, you should go down to each one, 0. Remember, if you watched my earlier video, how I want to separate each one of the binaries into groups of 4. Makes it a lot easier, because as you go down, the binary number would get really, really large when you're talking about hundreds and thousands of decimal. So let's go ahead and step through it again. And remember, in binary, you can only have zeros and ones. In octal, you can only have 0 through 7. In hexadecimal, you can have 0 through F. And in the decimal world, you can only have 0 through 9. So I've got 3. Here's my binary representation, octal 3. Let's go down to 6. 6. Here's my binary representation. And then I'm 7. So far, everything's the same, but when we get to 8, then the octal changes. So does the binary, but the hexadecimal stays the same as decimal. Got 9, 10. So 9 for decimal goes to 10, but in the hex world it goes to A. And we go to B, C, D, E, F. And one thing that you'll see later on when we talk about converting from binary to hex is very, very easy, because F, you will see, is 1, 1, 1, 1 in binary. And so when I'm converting it, if I've got 2 digits here, let's go down here and I'll show you an example of 2 digits. So I've got 1A, so I can look over here, and in my binary I've got 1, and then I've got A next to it. So I look up here, A. I've got that. So separating them, going back and forth between binary and hexadecimal is really, really easy. So on 16, in the hexadecimal world, I went from F to 10. Octal world, I went from 17 to 20. And then also my digit went over one more. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 in the decimal world. Here's my binary representation. Here's my octal, and here is my hexadecimal. So when I get to 24, my octal changes to 30. Hexadecimal is 18. And binary keeps on trucking. So I'm going down. Remember how we did up here. 19 goes to 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F, 20. This concludes this video.